Good morning, students. In previous class, I discussed about the packing fraction of simple cubic, body center and face center cubic in solid state chemistry. Now I am going to explain the hexagonal and cubic close packing structure of the crystal systems. Okay. First, we see the hexagonal and cubic close packing arrangement. In the arrangement of atoms, there is a layers of atoms are formed. First layer, second layer and third layer. First see the first layer. Okay, that is called as a first layer of atoms. Okay, it is a first layer. Okay. In the first layer, there is a series of atoms. We taken it that series is taken as a series number 1, and next it is a 2 and 3. In the first series, there is atoms are touching with each other, and there is a formation of the second series. The atoms are touching themselves and also touching the first series atoms, and there is a multiple series of atoms are formed. It is a 2D structure. In this first layer, there is a multiple layer. The multiple series of atoms are arranged. Okay. After forming the first layer, there is two types of voids. After in the first layer, see first layer, there is a formation of two types of voids. One void is called as a X voids, another one is a Y voids. Okay, both the voids are just like as a triangle shaped structure. Okay, both the voids are triangle shaped structure. Let's see the first series 1, 2, 3, 4, that is atom. In the first series and in between the first and second series, the two types of voids, X voids and Y voids. That void is called as a X voids. Okay, that is in the case of X voids, the peak is facing upward. That is X type of voids. The peak is the triangle shape. It is just like as a triangle shape. The peak is facing the upward. For Y type of voids is facing the peak. That is the Y voids is facing the peak in a downward. Okay, that is the shape of the two types of voids. The first, the top of the void is a X void and bottom void is a Y voids. Okay, that's it. Here, after forming the first layer, there is a formation of second layer. That is the second layer. Here, these are all taken as a first layer is taken as a A. Okay, the second layer, it is a that layer is taken as a B. It is a second layer. Okay, just like as a multiple layer of first layer, the second layer also having a multiple layers. The placing of the second layer along the first layer in a different way. Let us taken the second layer is placed on the void on the first layer. That's a which void? That is a X void. Okay, so second layers are formed on the top of the first layer, and the atoms are placed. That is the second layer atoms are placed on the X voids. Okay, X void on the first layer. Okay, due to the placing of the second layer on the first layer, there is a hole that is called as a tetrahedral hole is formed. The shape of the tetrahedral hole is just like this type. Okay, here see the three atoms placed on the first layer, that is the A layer, and the formation of the second layer, due to the arrangement of atom on the second layer, the atom placed on the X voids on the first layer to form a tetrahedral hole. Okay, so in the case of second layer, there is a formation of tetrahedral tetrahedral hole. That tetrahedral hole is formed due to the formation of 4 atoms. That is the first layer atoms, and next one is the placed on the second layer atom. The first layer atom having 3 atoms, and second layer there is a 1 atom. So the totally 4 atoms are formed in the tetrahedral holes. Okay. Next, due to the formation of second layer, the first layer, that is a Y void, is partially screened by the filling up of atoms on the second layer. The first, here note that the X void is completely closed. Okay, after the formation of the second layer, the X void is completely filled and to form a tetrahedral hole. But when the second series of atoms, it is a first series of atom in second layer, that is a B layer. It is a second series of atom in the B layer. After the arrangement of atom in a second series, here note that the Y voids, here the placing the Y voids is partially, here note, I will write it. After the formation of the second series, okay, the Y void is partially screened, that is a partially closed, so screened by the second layer of atoms, partially screened by the second layer. Then due to the formation of partially screened, there is a formation of octahedral voids. Here see the octahedral voids. That is the first layer of atom, that is atom layer A. Next one is the second layer B. That is the Y void. That Y void is partially covered by that 2 layers. So there is a formation of octahedral voids. Okay, the octahedral voids formed by the second layer of atoms. In octahedral voids, there is a totally 6 atoms. In tetrahedral voids, I will note that there is a 4 atoms, 3 atoms in a first layer and 1 atom in a second layer. In the case of octahedral voids, there is a 6 atoms. 6 atoms are arranged in the octahedral voids. That octahedral voids, here this, in the case of 6 atoms, the 3 atoms are at a first layer, that is a layer A. The remaining 3 atoms are present in a second layer, that is a layer B. Okay, so totally 6 atoms are covered. Okay. Next one is a third. Next, there is a formation of third layer. In the formation of third layer, there is a 2 possible way, so atoms are arranged. One is the ABA type, another one is the ABC type. When ABA type is formed, there is a formation of hexagonal close packing, and ABC type is formed the formation of cubic close packing, CCP. Okay, so first see the hexagonal close packing structures. One is a ABA type arrangement. Sorry. Okay. Here note that there is a formation of hexagonal HCP type of packings are formed. Okay. Here note that there is a 6 atoms, that is first series, first layer of atoms, 6 atoms. Along the 6 atoms, there is a second layer of atom B is formed, arranged. Okay, here it is a tetrahedral voids. Okay, that is the tetrahedral voids. It may be X or Y type. Okay, here the third layer is formed along the layer number 2, that is on the B. That third layer is similar with the first layer, just like as the arrangement of first layer. Okay, that is the 6 atoms, that is the first, it is the third layer of atoms. Next atoms in the next there is a 6 atoms are placed along the first layer of atoms. Okay, there is a 6 atoms has arranged the first layer of atom, the third layer of atom arranged in a similar way. Okay, due to the formation of third layer of atom, there is a packing of hexagonal close packing is formed. Okay, next one is a cubic close pack. Here there is atoms are arranged in A, B, C type. Here in the A type, that is a layers of first layer, small a, that's a 6 atom. In the case of second layer, that's a small b, that's a blue color small b, there's a 3 atoms. In third layer, the 3 atoms are formed but reciprocal with the second layer, that is the opposite direction with the second layer. So 6, 3 types of atoms are formed. Due to the formation of this type of arrangement, there is a formation of the packing is a cubic close packing type of structure is formed. Okay, that's all.